Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are trying all of the Starbucks fall drinks and foods. Yeah, so that way you guys don't have to try it. And I'll let you guys know what I think about them. So what I'm going to do right now is order all of the Starbucks stuff on my mobile order. That way I get some points. Let's see, for fall drinks they have the pumpkin spice latte, which I'm not going to get because I've had that plenty of times and I'm actually sick of it. I used to be a really huge fan. Every fall when it came around, I would get like 2 drinks in the one time that I visit Starbucks. So I completely am tired of the pumpkin spice latte, PSL. So what I'm gonna do, they have pumpkin cream cold brew, so I'm gonna order this one. This one actually looks really good, but we're gonna order a tall because I don't want to get something and end up not liking it and then not drinking it. So this pumpkin cream cold brew it is Starbucks cold brew sweetened with vanilla syrup topped with pumpkin cream cold foam and a dust of pumpkin spice topping. Well, doesn't that sound good? So there's espresso in this, milk, and pumpkin. Yeah, that's the only pumpkin drink that they have here at this location. Okay, well, let's go find foods. There is a pumpkin scone topped with sweet vanilla icing. Yum! Hasn't we tried that? It looks good. So I'm gonna get one of these, and then... Ooh! They have pumpkin cream cheese muffin, topped with sweet cream cheese filling and a sprinkle of chopped spice pepitas. What are pepitas? Pumpkin seeds? Offers a delightful balance of salty and sweetness. Can't read. That looks bomb. I'm gonna get that one too. Let me see if there's anything else. So those are the only pumpkin stuff that they have. Okay, well, it's 3 items. Cold brew is $3.95. Pumpkin scone is $2.95 and pumpkin cream cheese muffin is $2.95. Not gonna lie, I'm really excited about this pumpkin cream cheese. Looks so good. Gotta reload my card. Let me reload my card. So total is $10.64 and we'll give them about 4 minutes to make it. Since we just ordered, I don't want to go through the drive-thru immediately and expect me to have it. The drive-thru is actually getting a little busy, so I think I'm gonna walk in there to see if they have my mobile order, and I'll bring it out and show you guys. Be right back. Guys, I'm so sad. So they had my cold brew, my pumpkin cold brew or whatever, but then they ran out of the pumpkin cream cheese, so the only thing I got is a scone. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'll have to come back here tomorrow, early tomorrow, to get that pumpkin muffin, because I really want to add that into this video, because I don't feel like this is complete. Like this is just 2 items. So I think I'll try the pumpkin muffin tomorrow if I can get my hands on it. But so sad, I was looking forward to enjoy that, but maybe I'll just add it to the end of this clip. So this is the pumpkin. Actually, I'm gonna drink this first before it's like melted. Here is the pumpkin cold brew, and it has one of these tops, which I actually don't like this top, but I know we're trying to save some turtles. It's just, it'll save my teeth if I drink it straight from, and as a hygienist, I don't recommend drinking out of a cup like this. So whatever, for the video and the turtles. This is pretty good. How much was this? $2.89? $2.89 for a tall? I don't know if I'll pay $2.89 again for a tall. I'll probably try to recreate it. Ordering a doppio with some pumpkin syrup and some like whipped cream or something. But it's pretty good. Tasty. I'll give it a 4-star out of 5. I'll probably order that again. So here is the pumpkin scone. It's not warmed up. They didn't really ask me if I wanted it warmed up. But yeah. Okay. Ugh. Okay. Let's first bite. Mmm. It's really soft. It's soft. Honestly, I don't think I would get this again. The icing is straight up sugar. There's no like pumpkin flavor in it. It tastes like sugar. Yeah. Although it's soft and actually it doesn't even really like, you don't get that like big punch of pumpkin flavor. Kind of bland, to be honest. It's like sugar and then a bland pumpkin scone, and it's just soft. The soft is like good, but the softness is good, but flavor's not there for me. I'm gonna give it 2 out of 5. But this though, worth the stains. I'd definitely get that again. Okay. Well, hopefully tomorrow we can get that cheese muffin, the cream cheese pumpkin muffin, because that shit look bomb. The lady told me they sell out really fast, so if I want it, I have to get it early. Yeah. Alright, so let's check in tomorrow and see if they have the cream cheese. I'll catch you guys in a couple of hours. I got the pumpkin cream cheese muffin from Starbucks. So I guess yesterday they ran out, and the lady in the front told me just to come back tomorrow, which is today, because they might have another shipment, which they do. So this video will be complete with fall drinks from Starbucks, so you guys won't have to try it at home. So yesterday I already said in the video that I didn't really like the scone that much. I wouldn't be getting that again, but the pumpkin cold brew was pretty bomb. But today I did something different. By the way, I have a shirt on. It's just down here, okay? I'm not naked, I promise. So today I decided to get a Doppio espresso drink with 3 pumps of pumpkin sauce, soy, a splash of soy milk, light ice in a venti cup with extra whipped cream. And it tastes practically the same as the cold brew, only $2 less. Wait, was it $2? Actually, I think it was $2.97. I think it was the same price. I just get more for this one. And it tastes practically the same. But the cold brew pumpkin is actually pretty good. So if you guys want to try something new, cold brew pumpkin is bomb. If you're sick of the PSL like I was, like I am, then try the cold brew. It's pretty good. Okay, so let's go ahead and taste test this cream cheese pumpkin muffin because I've been wanting to try this for the longest time. And this is what it looks like. So there's cream cheese in the middle and there's pumpkin seeds around the muffin. Ooh, it feels so soft and mushy. Anyways, I don't want to make a mess, so I'm just gonna peel a little bit. Have you guys tried the Dunkin' Donuts muffin, pumpkin muffin? They're pretty good too. I'm not gonna lie. How much was this? This was $2.99. Okay, first bite. Ready? Mm-hmm. Mmm. This is good. This is really soft and moist on the inside. And the seeds on the outside adds a little bit of texture. Although, the cream cheese, it's not that cheesy. It's almost rubbery. It's like a pudding-like texture. Mmm. But this part, it's really soft. It's pretty good. I'm making a mess. Mmm. Mmm. Mm-hmm. I have to get this in. It really does remind me of the Dunkin' Donut muffin though. Pumpkin muffin. Mmm. It's not too sweet. I don't know, it doesn't really taste like, barely tastes like cream cheese. It's a light cream cheese flavor. Mmm. Mmm. I'm gonna stuff the rest of this in my mouth. I know it's not ladylike, but whatever. If you guys have recommendations for other places that sell pumpkin muffins, let me know. I'm always down to try new foods. I don't know if I can do this. Okay. Mmm. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will catch you in my next one.